This is the first generation of the Chevy Cruze, and if your shifter is stuck in park, this may happen when the battery is very low and now you can't do anything. You can't take it out of park and you can't tow your car or whatever. So what you need to do in this case, first of all, try to wiggle this button, release button. Sometimes this button is the reason why you can't shift out of park. So wiggle it a little bit, wiggle the shifter a little bit, and maybe you will have some luck and take the shifter to neutral, and you will be able to get your car to a tow truck or whatever. If you don't have luck with this, there is one way to get the shifter out of park, even if you don't have the battery in the car. So this is the lead of the shift release. You may use something like a small key, a screwdriver, but be careful because this plastic is very easy to damage. So maybe use some soft tissue to wrap your screwdriver or your key, or just do everything very carefully. So what you need to do, you need to insert your key or whatever you are using into this small slot here, and take this plastic cover out of its place carefully. So this is how it works. Be careful because it's very easy to scratch this part of the plastic. So what you do next? Next, you take your screwdriver or whatever, or just take your key and insert it and press it down. When you press it down, your shift release is activated and now you can shift out of park. Then with your other hand, press this release button and shift out of park, shift to neutral. Don't forget to put this plastic thing back, because otherwise you will lose it. And this is just a temporary fix, of course, to get your car to the tow truck or something, but you need to understand what happened with the shifter or with the battery and why you can't shift out of park, because the next time you shift to park, you will again not be able to shift out of park if you don't fix the situation.